Hi everybody, welcome back. This is a recap of my main newsletter, and the big headline is that the COVID discount has disappeared, just like Kaiser Sose. Remember last month we were talking about a record March, the busiest March we've seen in 14 years. Well, it is only intensified. The market is literally raging. That COVID discount that we saw at 25% with new development and maybe 15 to 10 to 12% at the height of the pandemic for resales has literally evaporated. It is down to approximately 2%. And it's primarily being driven by pent-up demand and record low interest rates. Deal volume is up 26% over previous highs that we saw in the summers of 2013 and 2015. April saw 1,600 new deals. 1,600. And meanwhile, inventory completely surged. Approximately 2,200 units came on the market. That is an absurd pace. That is 46% higher than what we would consider normal at this time of year, a time period when is typically busy. So the faucets are literally, they're on. The market is moving, it's flowing. And what will dictate the future, though, will be the fight between supply and demand. How will that actually pay out? And the big question on everybody's mind is, how long can this intensity be sustained? Myself and a lot of my colleagues, anecdotally, we feel, and economists that I've spoken to, feel that the demand is still going to be very, very strong through summer. But that there's an artificial kind of deadline of September where a lot of people are anticipated to be coming back to the office. Summer's over, summer camp is over, kids are going to be going back to school. So that September timeframe is kind of a target for a lot of people. And it's going to be intense right up until that time period. Then in September, it should moderate a bit because a lot of those people will already have decided where they're going. They'll be in place, finalizing their plans. But demand should still be fairly robust because interest rates will still be low. Foreign buyers, which we haven't seen in a year, are starting to come into the marketplace. I haven't seen it with my own personal clients yet, but a lot of my colleagues are seeing their foreign buyers showing more interest in coming in. Those doors are going to open up, and that is going to drastically increase demand. Other factors we're still looking at are interest rates that, although they're going to go up, are still they're staying low. Just 2 days ago, yesterday, the 30-year fixed mortgage jumbo was at 2.75%. That's extremely low. That's almost record low. There's taxes to deal with. Is the SALT going to be repealed? We have the mayor's race is still coming. So there's a lot of activity. So let's talk about sellers for a second. If you're a seller and you're in this marketplace, you want to get in and you want to get out, or you may not get out for a long period of time. A lot of sellers feel that if they get in and they sell too quickly, they've underpriced. In this marketplace that is so busy, it's just not possible. I have a colleague who put a property on the market, and in 10 days, he had 20 plus showings and 7 offers, and it's going up over the asking price. That is a very efficient marketplace, and that is the way, that shows you that the buyers are out there. If you're a seller and you're not getting offers, you're overpriced. If you're a seller and you're not getting showings, you're grossly overpriced. So get in, get out. If you're a buyer, there's so much opportunity out there. There's more inventory than there has been in years past. Interest rates are still rock bottom. Now it's getting more competitive, so you want to get in and you figure it out. So are you buying? Are you selling? Your situation is going to be very unique to your circumstances. Let's talk about it. But in the meantime, don't forget, my dear colleague of mine, John Engel, and I host a show, Burrows and Burbs. It's every Thursday. All the details are in my newsletter at www.robertocabrera.com. We talk about everything New York and in the suburbs. But until next month, have a fantastic May and get out there, get something done.